How to change Facebook name. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your Facebook account. Now you will land to your home page. Now head towards the option of menu. After you land to menu, this kind of page will appear. Now at the top right corner, you can find this settings icon. Tap on it. Over here, you will find different options. Go to the option of personal information, open it. Now tap on this option of name given at the top. Now from here, you can easily change your Facebook name. Please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters or random words. Now from here, you can easily edit your first name, middle name and last name. Here I'm gonna do that. And after you are done, you can tap on review change. Choose how your name will appear on your profile. Here you will get different options. Now to save this setting, you have to enter your Facebook password over here. After you are done, tap on save changes. And here you can see that my Facebook name has been changed. This is how you can easily change your Facebook name. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change Facebook name. This was very simple and quick process. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.